Love mermaids? So do I. Mermaids are magical and fun. In today's video, we are sharing some excellent DIY mermaid theme school supplies ideas. Some of these will be nice decor for having around the house. We are making some mason jar pen holder, super cute mermaid pencil topper, and mermaid tail bookmarks. These all DIYs are super easy to make. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we created this DIY mermaid notebook in our last video. If you want to check that out, look at the link in the description. Super cute mermaid pencil toppers using air dry clay. For this one you will need some pencil, air dry clay. This clay is very lightweight and is quick drying one. Start with painting your pencil. It's totally optional if you want. And let the paint dry. Meanwhile it dries, let's make the mermaid. So I'm using this peach color clay. So we're going to make the body, face, and arms. Now, let's make the tail for the mermaid. Now, let's connect all the pieces together. Let's make hair for the mermaid using brown clay. Now just glue it on your pencil and your mermaid pencil topper is ready. We made mermaid tail pencil topper. You can also use foam paper to make this too. So, cut out the tail shape in a piece of clay or foam paper. Now, smoothen the edges of the tail. So take your pencil and place it on top of it. Then take another piece of small clay and place it on top of the pencil. You can create some design on the tail to make it beautiful. We colored the rainbow colors in the other side. Now it looks so pretty. Gather your jars and get ready to make the best pen holder ever. This will keep your paintbrushes, pencils upright and easy to grab. I'm using these 3 Nescafe empty jars. These are perfect to make mermaid-themed pencil holders. And we will also need some sparkly glitter, dark blue, light blue, and silver color. and Mod Podge and this foam brush. So let's get started. Start by applying a thin layer of Mod Podge at the bottom of the jar, and then sprinkle glitter on the Mod Podge until it covers the whole area. Repeat the same step. Apply a layer of Mod Podge just above the dark blue glitter. On the very tippity top, I'm adding silver glitter. Once everything is done, just apply one more layer of Mod Podge so that every glitter piece stays there. Let the Mod Podge dry and your sparkly jar will be ready. So this is how it turned out. Doesn't it look like the store-bought one? This is the super easy one, just using a sponge and a paint. We will be needing round sponges, paint color of your choice, and of course a mason jar. So just dip the sponge on your paint and dab it on the jar. Dip and dab, dip and dab. This will form a mermaid tail look. Have seashells available, then you can paint them and turn them into cute fishies. I'm going to add a twine and glue those cute fishes we've made. Didn't it turn out so good? And look at those fishies hanging there. Create a dreamy mermaid tail on a mason jar with a golden paint pen. We are going to spray paint this jar and leave it to dry. Using the golden paint pen, we are going to draw a mermaid tail. This DIY is the simplest and quickest one. Isn't it so simple and easy to make? It looks amazing! Our last craft for today is mermaid tail bookmarks. Supplies we are using are white paper, pencil, scissors, and some colorful markers. Draw a picture of the mermaid tail and cut the shape out. So we already have the shapes of it. Now we're just going to color it. The first one will be in the rainbow. So how do you like it? Mermaids sure do have a beautiful tail. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.